Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talking about this pattern. This is the mass model, and we place this each component in this mass model in this pattern based family in this surface. So let's do it. Okay, this in this mass family, each and every element of this mass family, if we select hit the tab key and click this element and just go to this edit family, we see this is the adaptive family, and we just place this point and create transform to reference line and create a form. Okay, now so let's do it. First I just close this file. Okay, first go to this open this adaptive family new, then just click this generic model adaptive, open. Now place this point on this reference level first, and just open this reference level, or open this reference level floor plan and click this point and say and placement this plane pick this reference level, then okay, select this reference level, then okay. And now say place this point on this center of this plane. Just select this point and make this point to adaptive, because we have to place another few points from this adaptive point. If we move this point, those point also move with this point. Okay, that's why we have to make this adaptive point. And also if we place this point on this mass family in surface area, the element, this object will be placed in automatically in each and every point. So just go to this 3D view and place a point in some few point. First of all, set a work plane, place pick this vertical plane of this adaptive point and place this point. Now select this point, reference point, and drag this on site, and also another point on this adaptive point, and select this point and drag this point other side, opposite side. Now we have to set a parameter for the we have to set this parameter of this point, because if we change the dimension, of this adaptive point to this reference point in future or any time, we have to set a parameter. So just select this point in positive side, and in properties panel on your left side, just select this offset and click this associate family parameter button. And now we see there is a dialog box, associate family parameter, and click this new parameter and say offset 1, then set this parameter for instance, then okay, okay. Now also set this also point, and this is the negative side of this opposite side of this point, adaptive point, and set the parameter as family. This is called negative offset, and set this for instance, then okay, now we have to set equation of this area of this section. So how to do that? Just set set this name of this formula, place this formula, and just select this parameter offset 1, then Ctrl C on your keyboard, copy it and place this formula section, Ctrl V, and now we have to set a minus of this negative offset parameter. You see, if we set 2 feet, the negative offset also will be set in minus 2 feet, which will be if we set and apply, as you see, then okay, as you see, the both side point will be the same direction of the center point. If we move this, drag this point, the both side point will be work in equal distance. So we have to set another 2 point on another axis. Just pick this vertical plane of this adaptive point. Now place the 2 points on the same way. Just select this point and say, just drag this point this side, and also place this point, another point of this in this adaptive point, and select this reference point and drag this other side. Now just select this negative side of this point and just open the associate family and just apply negative offset, and also just select this positive point and just apply this parameter on offset 1. Okay, I just edit this parameter name, negative offset 1. Okay, now we have to set another 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Okay, so just select this point and say which one. If we set this point, first of all set a work plane. Just select this point, just select the point and drag this point is one side, and select this point and place this point. Just drag this other side, and also you have to set also another point. Set this reference plane, hidden reference plane of this point, and place this point and drag this way, and also set this reference plane of this point and place this point and drag this another side. Select this point, positive side of this point, and just apply the parameter offset 1, and also select this point, apply the parameter negative offset 1. Okay, now we have to create a line from this point. Just select this point and apply a simple SP line through point. Select this point, apply the line, and also select this point, apply the line, SP line, select this point, apply this SP line. Now select this line and transfer to reference line. As you see, we have to check the parameter. Go to the family types, and if we change the dimension, say 1 feet, apply. As you see, the both sides of the adaptive point, this each and every side of the line, the dimension work in equally. Both sides equally move from this adaptive point. If we set say 3 feet, the point will move equally from this adaptive point. Now we have to set another 4 points. Say I just select this point, also select this point, and now we have to set a point on this reference line. So select this point and make sure you have to set draw on face, and place this point on this reference line in both sides, each and every line. Okay, we have to set, we don't need to place this point on this reference line. We have to set this reference line on set this point on these two lines. So now we have to create set the orientation. Select this point and also select this point, and in properties bar, in normalized measurement type, just set the measurement type as a segment length. Okay, now just select this and set the parameter. Say actually we have to rename this negative offset and offset 1, which is before that I just write offset now. For now, say offset and apply this for instance parameter, and set OK, then OK. They are identical, same place. We have to set the orientation before we apply the parameter. Select this point, and this is the 6 inch, and also this is the select this point, and we have to see we see the segment length is 6 inch. Okay, from this point, and also the another point should be the 6 inch from this point. Okay, so this point also set from end. Now select the both this point, and set this parameter, say offset instance for now, then OK, then also OK. See, if we move this point, another point will be moved the same way. We have to set another 2 point the same way and apply those parameters. Just select this point and change the measurement type to segment length, and change this point beginning to end, and also select the both point and apply the parameter which we already created. Select this offset parameter and then OK. So as you see, the point also, all point will work in the same way. Before we have to create a reference line. Before create a reference line, we have to edit the parameter. Go to family types, and in offset 1, just edit the parameter, say half length. Half length. Why we write this half length? Because I just explain this. I will explain this for this parameter, because and also this is the negative half length. Half and set for instance, then OK. Because just OK for now. If we see, we will see in this family, I just I just draw a line, I just draw a sketch just quickly, and if we see in this family, this is the square shape. This is the square shape. Okay, and we have to set a parameter in from this adaptive point to this line, this point. Okay, this is the half length of this total length, and it will be the L full length, and this is the half length. Okay, now we have to set a length for this tutorial. Just minimize this window. Go to this family types and create a parameter length, and set for instance, then OK. And now I just write a equation of this half length, L length divided by 2. As you see, if we set 3 feet, it will look 1 feet 6 inch, then apply. Okay. Now just pick this point, those point, and create a SP line and transfer to reference line. Select those 2 points, create a SP line, transfer to reference line. Now select the another 4 point of these 2 reference line this side and also this side, this point. Select and place this point. Select this point and say we have to change the measurement type to segment length. As you see, this point, just select this point. The segment length is 10 inch, and if we set, say, for offset, okay, this is also change. If this is the equal, it will be work similar this distance. In same way, I just change the orientation measurement from and apply this the parameter, say offset. In same way, we have to select this, change this point in measurement transfer, change the measurement type, say segment length, and select this point and change, apply the first point to offset parameter, and also change, select this point and change the orientation to end, and apply this point for to parameter, then okay. Now see, we have to create a SP line from this point, and select those 2 points and create a line and transfer to SP line. Select this 2 point, create a SP line and transfer to reference line. As you see, the outer area is square shaped, and also the inner area is also square shaped. This is the main inner area will be the void section, and the outer, the frame will be the solid section. Okay. Now select this line. Select this point and create a line and transfer to SP line. Actually, we don't need this. If we set just select this point, also select this point and create a SP line and transfer to reference line. Select this point, so select this point, create a SP line, transfer to reference line. You see, I just select this line and also select this line, control press, and create a form. And we have to set a thickness, say thickness, just set the instance, then okay, and also select this form and apply a material parameter, say hollow box, then set as just set an instance for now, then okay, and okay. Now I just select this 2 line. In the same way, we have to create another box on opposite side of this solid box which we already created. Select those point and create a SP line in transfer to reference line. Select this point, create a SP line, transfer to reference line. Now select this reference line, select this line, reference line, and also select this line and create a form. So create a form and apply a thickness parameter, and also just select this form and apply material parameter. And we have to create another two box. Just select this point and create a SP line and transfer to a reference line, and also create this 2 point and create a SP line and transfer to reference line. Select this point or select this point, create a SP line, transfer to reference line. Just select this reference line, also select this reference line and create a SP line. Select this line, also select this reference line and create a form and apply this thickness parameter, and also select this form, apply a parameter to this hollow box. In same way, we have to select this 2 point, create a SP line and select this reference line, select this 2 point and select this 2 point and create a SP line and transfer to reference line. Select this point and also select this point, create a SP line, transfer to reference line. Okay, now select this reference line, also select this reference line, create a form. Okay, now apply the thickness parameter and also select this form and apply a material parameter, hollow box. Now as you see, I just join this form, just select this joint and select this form and also select this form, also select this form, select this form, and select this another form. So as you see, the total and whole form will be joined, already joined, and I just check out the parameter in this family types. If we set say 4 feet and apply the family form, it will it's working, and also it just change the thickness, say 5 inch, apply, change apply, it's working for thickness, it will work, it's working. And now we have to apply this family on this massing family. Before that, I just offset, I just set offset say 3 inch and length is say 1 feet. Just apply this form for now, 3 inch, say 1 inch, and okay. Now go to create, open the conceptual mass, new, open the conceptual mass, create a line and create a form from this line, and I just drag this line and select this surface and divide a surface. You have to set a dimension in both grid, U grid and V grid. Select the grid, and in properties panel to change the layout, say fixed distance in both sides, both grid, and say is 1 feet, and also is 1 feet. Okay. If we place the adaptive family before change those grid dimension, it will not work, but it will work, but sometimes it will not, it will sometimes problem in this grid section. We have to set the same dimension in this similar this adaptive family of this grid point. Okay, so just apply the grid distance 1 feet to 1 feet, similar this adaptive family. Now load this project. Before load this project, load this family, and just select the grid line, and we have to set a point each and every intersection of this line. So so how to do that? Just select, open the dialog box, pop-up window, surface representation. Just select the arrow key and check this box and nodes, and then OK. And now I just select this grid and set for justification, say beginning, and set this also the justification of this V grid from beginning. Okay, now just open this family and load project into this, in this section, in this surface. Just place this object adaptive family on this point of this surface, and just select this form adaptive family and click on repeat tool. As you see, the form will be placed quickly in this surface. I just check the, I will have to check the parameter of a single form, single adaptive family. Just select this form. I just hit the tab key on your keyboard and place the cursor on this family and hit the tab key and once, and click this box, and as you see in a properties panel, there is a parameter, thickness, offset, length. Okay, I have to change the thickness, say in 2 inch. See, all of adaptive family object will be changed equally, and also change the offset, say 2 inch or 3 inch. See, it will work. It's working. Okay, now okay, the length will not work because length is related of this grid. If we apply this length of this grid in with this grid line, we have to apply a parameter of this grid. So how to do that? Just click this grid line and create a parameter, say U grid. Just U, set for instance. Okay, also create a V grid. Just write v for now, set for instance, then okay, then okay. Now go to edit type. Before edit type, we have to transfer a parameter, this length, for say right length, and set for instance, then okay, and okay. As you see, we have to this is the box length to this point to this line, huh? Okay. Now we have to define the grid distance. Okay, if we quickly create a sketch preview, we have to set just draw in this section how to apply equation, how to set a dimension grid line with this box. Okay, so just create draw just snapshot of this section. Just understand to how to work the dimension, set a formula. This is the grid dimension. Okay, this grid dimension is 1 feet to this point, This is the length of this grid length, 1 feet, and also this is the length of this box. As you see, we have to find out this distance. Okay, it will the half of this grid line. Okay, and also half of this adaptive family. Now just let's do it. Just create a dimension formula. Go to this family types and set a dimension. Say if we set a dimension in U grid or in V grid, also in V grid and also in U grid. Okay, length length divided by 2. Actually it will work, it should be in length in this section. If we change the length, say 2 feet, the U grid and V grid will be U and V grid will be changed automatically. Say if we apply this, as you see, the grid the form will be changed, and also grid line also will be changed. Okay, so that's how we create this screen wall. We will apply this screen facade in building project. Okay, that's it for now. We will create another video tutorial for in another days. Okay, see you. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.